What we have here is a 2010 Giant GFR Freewheel. Got it for $130 about a month ago. It's my spare race bike. Don't have a number plate on it right now though because I just took it off to shine everything and adjust the handlebars. But bike weighs about 24.5, 25 pounds. Cranks are small. Bike is small. It's meant for a really small person. Except the top tube is fairly good, or a fairly good size. We got a Maxxis Holy Roller in the back and a Kenda K-Rad in the front. Giant PC pedals, Bontrager seat. Basically giant everything except like tires and seat. The bike, there's really nothing to say about it. But the only thing really bad about it is that it's way too small. Because the handlebars are about, I'd say 5.5 inch rise. They look like cruiser handlebars really. Here's some close-ups of it. Got some bendy straws on the spokes. Add a little train to it. We got Tech Show brakes, V-brakes. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give the bike a solid 8 because it loses points because for one, it's just way too small. I can't ride it because of that. I mean, I can ride it. Either way, 24 thread bottom bracket, 1-piece cranks, and 16-tooth freewheel on the back. Oh, hold on a second. Let me get close up to that. Here's the Giant sprocket. Freewheel on the back. Chain stay. Seat stay. Down tube, top tube. Close up of the K-Rads. Close up of the Holy Rollers. That's about it for this bike. I really can't say anything else for it. Other than it's just my spare race bike. Either way, more bike checks to come.